On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the Sidecar. Hey everyone, welcome back once again to The Blind Pig. As always, I'm your host, Jason. The Sidecar is the most famous of the classic cognac drinks and remains a favorite to this day. It is believed to have been invented in the early 1920s as it first appeared in two different cocktail books in 1922. Both books had the recipe listed using equal parts, but the current and more popular recipe that we're using today calls for slightly different ratios. The story of how this drink got its name is hotly debated. Two different bars claim to have first invented the cocktail for a customer who arrived in the sidecar of a motorcycle, which seems simple but believable. Another story goes that the drink's name refers to the mixture that's left in the shaker, which gets served on the side in a shot glass. That extra little shot, it's called a sidecar. The drink does call for a sugared rim, which is optional when making a sidecar, but without the sugar, the drink can be rather dry, so it does help to complete the taste and is the way we're making it today. So to start off, since we have some orange liqueur in this drink, we're going to use a little bit of orange to moisten the side of our coupe glass. And we're going to roll that in sugar. I'm only doing it on a half, that way if you don't want the sugar, you can kind of get both flavor profiles and try it out. For now, we're going to set this to the side. We have a shaker already ready to go with ice. And we're going to use 1.5 ounces of cognac. For this drink, we're using VSOP Hennessy. Any cognac will work though. We want 1.5 ounces of that. Then we're going to use 3/4 ounce of orange liqueur. We're using Grand Gala. I'm a big fan of this. Triple Sec is the cheapest option. We do have a bottle of that up there. If you want Cointreau, that's a little more expensive. Grand Gala is kind of right in the middle, and I think makes for a great orange liqueur. We use it all the time in our margaritas. It's kind of our go-to here. It should work well in this drink as well. We need 3/4 ounce of that. Then we have 3/4 ounce of lemon juice, which we've already squeezed, ready to go. Go ahead and shake that. And we'll strain that into our half sugared coupe glass. And as the second part of the story goes, we'll serve the extra on the side in a sidecar. For our garnish, we're going to use an orange twist. And go ahead and give that a shot. Cheers. Definitely a dry drink. The sugar helps a ton. I took like maybe a half taste of sugar there. Let me try without the sugar real quick. It's still a great drink. You can enjoy it without the sugar for sure. If it's a little too dry for you, I highly recommend the sugared rim. Really completes the drink, makes it more well-rounded, and you really cut out that dryness of the ingredients with the sweetness of the sugar. So I like this one for sure, guys. And hey, can't forget our sidecar. So cheers, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, leave a comment below. We'll see you soon. Cheers. Hey, everyone. Did we start? No. Today's video.
On today's